This is a 1934 white truck, and it was used by a cattle company to transport cattle to wherever they were going. Notice the hood ornament there, the steer. Beautiful paint on this truck. And this truck really is gigantic. And White made cars too early on. They made a steamer that was a good competitor to the Stanley steamer. They also make gasoline powered cars and tractors, sewing machines, quite a bit. They also merged with other trucking companies towards the end of their career. Just look at the size of the stake body of this truck. It would have to be very high stake body to make sure the cattle stayed in the confines. Looking inside here, it's a very basic truck. Trucks in the 30s were certainly not deluxe. I think the windshield does move forward. You'll see modern gauges there. They've just redone the dash, which is a pretty neat thing to do, because probably most of the gauges and so forth were inoperable. Notice the springs, and that's where they had the branding irons. Now, looking at the back of the truck here, you have a very interesting gate in the back. It's on a track so that it slides, so that you can close off the exit here, keep the cattle on board, or let them pass down a ramp. Very ingenious. Huge tires.
That's one high stake truck there.
There is the jack for the truck. I wouldn't want to have to jack this truck, because I don't know how much it weighs, but it's considerable. I think there'd be a flathead 6 under the hood here.